How do I update my iPad from 10.3.3 to iOS 11?
In this video, we'll guide you through the process of updating your iPad from version 10.3.3 to iOS 11. Before you start, ensure that your iPad is compatible with iOS 11. Compatible devices include iPad mini 2 and later, iPad Air and later, and iPad Pro models.
Is your iPad charged and connected to Wi-Fi?
Make sure your iPad has at least 50% battery charge or is connected to a power source. Ensure that your iPad is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network.
Do you have enough storage space?
Check the available storage on your iPad by going to Settings, General greater than iPad Storage. iOS 11 requires at least 2 GB of free space. If necessary, free up some storage by deleting unwanted apps, photos, or videos.
How to back up your iPad?
Before updating your iPad, it's essential to create a backup to avoid losing data. To back up using iCloud, go to Settings greater than your name, greater than iCloud Backup and tap on Backup Now. To back up using iTunes, connect your iPad to a computer and select Backup Now in the device summary page.
How to update your iPad to iOS 11?
1. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. 2. You will see iOS 11 available for download. Tap on Download and install. 3. After the download is complete, tap Install to start the update process. 4. You may be prompted to enter your device passcode. Enter it to continue. 5. Once the update is complete, your iPad will restart, and you'll be running iOS 11. By following these steps, you've successfully updated your iPad from version 10.3.3 to iOS 11. Enjoy exploring the new features and improvements in iOS 11.